F-Droid is one of the most important open-source app stores available. No ads, no tracking, no subscriptions, just free apps that respect your privacy. The problem is that its interface and listed apps are designed for phones. In this video, I'm going to show you an F-Droid client redesigned from scratch for smart TVs and any TV box running Android TV. You'll get smooth navigation, a large screen interface, and access to thousands of free apps directly on your TV. I'll also show you the best repositories to maximize it and unlock the largest number of apps compatible with your smart TV, or in my case, the Google TV streamer. Flicky is an unofficial F-Droid client built specifically for large screens. It's free open source and actively developed. In fact, it's already on version 4.3 after a recent update. It's not available on the Play Store. Google removed it in 2024 because it allowed installing apps from external sources. So, we download the universal version from the website, since it works on every architecture. If you don't know what architecture your smart TV uses, just download the universal version. To install Flicky, you have a few options. What I usually do is transfer the APK directly from my phone using Local Send. It's a free local file sharing app also available for Android TV. You simply share the file and install it. As you can see, Flicky gives you access to apps you'll never find on the Play Store. By default, you can install apps using the system installer, but if you prefer, you can also use installers like Shizuku or App Manager. You can also increase the number of available apps by enabling some disabled repositories. Although the most useful TV repositories are already enabled, for example, there's one for installing game emulators. Another one lets you install Chromite, an ad-free web browser. If you plan to use it, I recommend installing a virtual mouse and keyboard app like TV Remote to have full control of your smart TV. You can also add other repositories manually from the settings. Let me know in the comments what alternative app store you use on your Android TV.